video. I'm sorry I can't post when I'm doing this stuff. I mean, I can. I'm out here watching my little brother. Yes, Sutton, it is cat food, Bubba. But this is my new build Can-Am X3. This is my new Can-Am Renegade. And this is that truck. Yes, it is, Bubba. I love you. Yeah. Do you want to tell the people hi?
Yeah.
Say hi, people.
Hey, hi, people.
Yeah, this is my little brother Sutton. You'll probably see him in some videos, or hear him in some videos actually. But this is my new build on my truck. I'm gonna take out the X3. But yeah, I will bring the X3. No, Sutton. No, Bubba.
I need to
Sit right here. Alright, but I've got the X3 on the trailer. Let's look up Yeah, guys, our power's been out of our house because of the hurricane that happened. That was terrible. But smokers. Yeah, if you people at my grandma's house, one of them. This is my next if we get up there, I'm gonna put a brake on it. She cuts up a little bit. Buddy, it is gonna rain in a minute, so we might need to go inside, okay? We don't have to go inside right now, but we will in a little bit, okay? But guys, if you love your siblings or your parents, hit that like and subscribe button. But don't break your plants. Oh my. They are so cute, just like you. Oh gosh. I love you too. Sutton, can you say like and subscribe? Sutton, say like and subscribe. I'll play trucks with you. You want to say like and subscribe so I can play trucks?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like he said, like and subscribe. Yeah, this is my whip. I got the phone out. I will, buddy. Can I finish my video first? Thank you for being so patient.
What is
That's called a cat toy. I guess I need to restart. Yeah, it does put sticks on windows, okay? Alright guys, but today we will be working with my new shawty. My little brother's 2, almost 3. We're kind of almost ready. He's 3 in January. No, you didn't. You're fine, son. You just took it off the window. That's okay. Alright, look.
I need to take it off the window.
So you stupid. Oh gosh.
I
I don't know. I like to fire. These ducks. They don't actually look like ducks, but they'll be entering a new game into my YouTube videos. We will be playing, it's the same makers offered others, but it is a hunting game. But you can't have a 4-wheeler Okay, so they're basically the same in the opposite way. So off-road outlaws, you have cars, but you can buy guns. But in American marksman, you can have the main thing you have is guns, but you can't have a four-wheeler or truck. You've got a wider selection of guns on off-road outlaws more than four-wheelers on American marksman. And you've got one four-wheeler and one truck. But I'm actually not complaining at all. But, alright. My background is Quando Dingle, if you were asking, which you weren't tonight. So,
the other part of the cat.
oh, did you break it?
Yeah.
How you doing? Don't tell nobody. Stinking.
Done.
Okay, here, you can just play with this part. That part's fine. It's fine. There we go. Alright guys, but I think we're about to switch over to American Marksman. I do have the 308 with the 8x scope on it. And, like, I can hip fire pretty well. I did change my logo and my name to RJT Gaming because I'll be more gaming, but I will have like hunting and fishing on it. There'll definitely be deer hunting this year. Definitely a lot of that. Oh, what's wrong? He's playing with his buckets in the dirt. Because if you live in the country, you know if you know.
If you want to know what you will look like when you grow old, first, open this thing.
Guys, just leave a like and a follow and comment. Oh, I got a lot of money. Hey, buddy, don't throw that, okay? Okay. You know what I might do? I may make a weird rig off of my right here. I like it wider like that, but like it's not gonna stay like that. I've got chrome rims. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. Hold on. Excuse me. But like I'm saying, I need to get, oh my gosh. But the thing I do like about some rims is they're like, they can be black and chrome. It's awesome. Like, look. Mine are chrome, but I don't know what it's doing. I guess it only works on trucks. But I think I need to widen out the entire thing. Mm. 25 would be suitable.
That was a motorcycle.
How do you know that, buddy?
I know it. It said,
Yeah. Alright, guys.
that was normal.
but I will. I'm gonna try to buy. I want to buy a van. The kidnapper van. Look how, not that. The kidnapper van. That's what I've been calling it. If you could upgrade that, that thing would fly. Oh, the Cybertruck. I might buy one and make it absolutely ridiculous looking. Just to mess with. See, that's the truck that I have. But mine's fully upgraded. There's a long bed. Sutton, it's a hummingbird. Come here, buddy. Come here. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry we have to stop. I'm sorry I'm gonna have to stop. Little brother is interested in like animals and stuff, so I am gonna try to show him this hummingbird. Sutton, look right there. Look, Sutton, dude, looking up there. Dude, look right there. You can see a tiny bird. Or look over there. That red one. See? Just watch. You'll see a tiny bird. Hold on. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on.
I saw a bird out here.
Oh, you did? You saw it? Okay, well, that's cool.
I saw one
That's the type of truck my dad has, but his is
far
too
away. And the bird flied away from me. And I
look
said,
at that
"Come
Nissan
here."
right here. That Nissan Titan.
What? It was the bird that
Okay,
was or boy.
Okay, guys. The lightning's starting to pick up.
Was the
So,
was the
I'm
weapon?
going to have to end it short, but I will pick y'all up later. See y'all in the